Welcome to the Opal shop. This here is a very lovely piece of Boulder Opal. The stone has been wetted to enhance its nice rainbow style colors. Look at that. The white's just light reflection, but as I turn, you can definitely see a few shades of red popping in. There you go. Nice and rainbow colors. It's a very thick piece of boulder. There's not much on the back. It's a shot of what it looks like. And here's a bit of the side where the opal start. It's already been cut, but it can be recut if you like. Grab the piece of opal and repurpose it to make pins and all types of jewelry you'd like. And this is it, our lovely rainbow opal. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.